Is that on Great House?
He's over there.
Waiting for the YouTube to load.
I think it's Great House.
Way out there.
Okay, so then now I'm looking for Mr. Rodriguez's client on my paper docket, and that's going to be Arthur Clements.
Mr. Clemens.
Let me find him. Here we go. Mr. Clements, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, is your name Arthur Clements? And do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Arthur Clements?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Arthur Clements who in this cause number 727-589 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
Yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass of property, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court costs, 17 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Rodriguez? David? Rodriguez? Mr. Rodriguez? Mr. Rodriguez? Is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Your Honor, I'm back. I apologize. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you agree to this, Mr. Greathouse? Mr. Clements, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I had the wrong name. All right. And do you agree to this, Mr. Clements, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Clements, then the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentenced you to 17 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run current, the judgment satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Right.
Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Thank you. You too.
And David, thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, John.
Because you're an escort.
Okay. Mr. Cox, what's going on with you?
I think all the paperwork should be in, Judge.
Okay, so I am looking now for paperwork on Westerhoff. I have it on my screen. Let me put it on my screen. Can we get Mr. Westerhoff in front of the auxiliary court bench, please?
Yes, sir. There he is.
Mr. Westerhoff, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen, sir?
Yes.
Hold on. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
And I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Is your name Adam Westerhoff?
Yes.
Are you the same Adam Westerhoff who in this cause number 729-254 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it? And do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on a minute. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on the plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Judge. We've agreed to a $0 fine, court cost, 19 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
That's
Is that
great.
your understand, Mr. Cox? Is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Westerhoff?
Yes.
Then, Mr. Westerhoff, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 19 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then he should be released sometime today. All right?
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hold on, man.
Yeah, Judge.
Cornelius,
Yeah,
are you
right, yeah. I'm gonna do it separately because I have to get a date for that jail visit and I don't have it with me. So I'll just do it
Okay.
separately.
okay? Then I'm just
All
gonna
right.
put in a zero amount for now. You'll have to put in another voucher though. You sure?
That's correct, Judge.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. You can be excused.
All right, thank you.
All right. Now, see. Someone needs to give me the magic words.
Turn YouTube off.
Turning the YouTube off. That means that Valverde and Arevalos can go and just go crazy.
Yay.